Guys, shark incoming!
It's also got butt on it now, which is fucking beautiful.
Lick it like this.
Name on the door, they don't spell it right, but they spell that check.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं करता.
अरे करना.
Talk tough, you get typed and deleted. Whole crew.
Bro, I'm classy, okay?
Old head said, boy, you moving too fast. I broke every speed limit still.
I contemplated doing it, I'm not gonna do it.
What's up, brother?
What's up?
We're here in Delhi. We're here in GK2 M Block Market. We're starting the evening with one of my favorite and one of India's most celebrated bars. Bar number 1 is
Sidecar.
Let's go.
Sidecar.
Shivam da swag, Manak da flex, glass ਵਿੱਚ ਰੰਗ, ਰਾਤ full next, ਗੱਡੀ ਵਿੱਚ beat, seat ਤੇ click, ਸਾਰੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ small, vibe so big. Shivam ਦੇ ਜੁੱਟ, Manak ਦਾ ਚੈਨ, ਫੋਟਾਂ click, ਸਾਰੇ look insane, bill full stack, table ਤੇ scene, jealous ਹੋ ਕੇ ਵੇਖਾਂ ਸਾਰੇ feel.
There'll be a baby who's gonna come to Sidecar and he's gonna play that drum set there. I have come here after like a year, I think.
Yeah, so this is the new menu.
This menu is particularly inspired from the place wherever we have traveled. Across the world.
Okay.
Across the world. All the drinks is inspired from different countries. You can see in the bracket also which country it inspired from. So we often go outside the country, and we also invite other bars to come here and to showcase their signatures or their culture. And similarly, it's kind of exchange, cultural exchange. It's in a comic style.
I love that.
This character is Ichhaga Sidecar, Mr. Sidecar. Yeah?
Mr. Sidecar.
And then when you see the story, he's traveling the world and getting inspired and is coming back and making the drink. So Sidecar is making the drink. आज के लिए मैं Sidecar मानता
So let's have one tuk-tuk.
Okay, you want tuk and
One Cappy time.
Tasty drink for Shivam and Manik, ਸਾਰੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ yo automatic, ship to ਕਰ ਦੇਣੇ ਦਿੱਲੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ panic, ਨਾਮ ਹੀ ਕਾਫੀ, they don't need magic. Tasty drink for Shivam and Manik, ਗੀਤੇ ਨੱਚਦੇ crowd go manic, vibe naughty, crazy gigantic. Tasty drink for Shivam and Manik.
Yeah, this is what I wanted.
I don't know if this is what I wanted, but I like it. I like it nonetheless.
This is very good. Nice, no?
Very nice.
Yeah. This is very good. This is very good coffee. Coffee भी है, शराब भी है.
try with the cracker also. Like have a bite of cracker.
You know, it's very.
Oh, I like this more.
I don't know. It's very unusual, the drink.
You must be the flavor is not very usual. Like in the drink.
Can we have one veg?
Veg. You want to try it?
I like it जब किसी से veg पूछो ना.
हाँ, उनको time लग जाता है. Vegetarian.
I'm allergic to veg.
I like the decor that makes me feel like I'm part of a pub.
Yeah.
I enjoy that. I like this.
Yeah. The
I
wooden.
like the wood. I like the dingy nature of this bar.
I really appreciate that it looks like a bar, like in the sense like an old school bar. It's not a place where you come to party.
I have a feeling it's a jackfruit with some spicy sauce, and it's a guacamole and sour cream on the top.
Salud.
Pishasti. I feel like an Emirati now. Oh, it's actually very tangy.
I think it's quite refreshing, like you said. It's very light. It's very refreshing, and for someone who doesn't like tomatoes, I'm not feeling a lot of tomatoes at all. Actually,
tomato?
I think I'm feeling a very little like flavor of.
Until unless I'll tell you it's tomato, you'll not guess.
100%. Yeah. Maybe I'm getting the, like you said, I'm getting the umami family. What do you think? Yeah.
Yeah, I found it.
Found it?
That's my drink.
Fishes. Yeah.
Pishastic.
Fishastic.
That means cheers in,
Yeah.
you know?
I prefer that as well.
Yeah, that's nice. That's very nice.
But there's something very bold about some flavor of it.
The smokiness, the tanginess.
I usually love mezcal for the smokiness. Number 1 for this.
Number 1 for this. Number 2 for your previous one. What was it?
Tuk tuk.
The Tuk Tuk. Number 3 for the Cappy.
Cappy time.
Cappy time. And this is number 4.
So this This is a cocktail.
OG.
Menu. The cocktail from the OG menu. This is called Enchanté, which means
Enchanted, I guess.
pleasure to meet you in French. Yes, close enough.
It's also got a butt on it now, which is fucking beautiful. Oh, it's a peach. Oh, it's a peach.
Oh, damn. Fucking hata. And this one's called the cilantro, which is from the last menu, which was sort of based on like feelings and emotions of nostalgia and stuff like that, right? This is one of my favorite drinks of all time at Sidecar. I try to have this every time I'm here. भाई ये इतनी प्यारी drink है मैं क्या बताऊँ? I don't have words for it. It takes me literally back to a time when I was 10 years old.
Smells like shikanji. Subtle. I mean, I can't taste the alcohol at all in it.
And this one is?
Peachy, tangy, sour, refreshing, wakes you up.
Oh!
It wakes you up. You saw what happened?
Yeah.
You're awake now. Hello, good morning.
Morning!
You can have this sticker that's on top of it. Now you can.
Lick it like this.
No, I don't.
That's the
Do
idea.
it. Pick it up. Pick it up. Like this.
Yes. I'm classy, okay?
Okay.
And Masi.
Okay, so?
I won't do it. I was going to do it. I contemplated doing it. I'm not going to do it.
That's how it is.
That takes me back, man.
To what?
And that's a cut.
Why don't you just record that? That was great.
That's what they usually do, man. They start with start the shot with
Man, so Adi drink beer, he's slurring his words now.
started.
Fuck!
That chutney ka dry thing hit the back of my throat.
It's called, what is it called?
It's well structured. It's of course good quality. It's filling. It's nice. But वो दिल को नहीं छूता जब तक वो सड़क का ना हो. What are you feeling about the bar stools, man?
It's a motherfucking curse. Sit down, earn that seat if you ain't
The padding's good.
Padding's good. What I also appreciate is that there is a little bit of there's a rod under our feet here, which is sort of helping me keep my feet on top of it.
Rod under our feet.
Rod under our feet is kind of nice here. I like it, man. It's good. I'm gonna give it a good solid thumbs up. What are we guessing?
8.5, 9. 9.
9? Okay, I'm gonna guess a good 10. It's actually 12,308.
All of us lost.
All of us, no, I won by virtue of it being closest.
Let's not get technical.
We will get technical. On that note, that was 12,308. See you at the next bar.
Yeah. Blueprint on the welcome mat. Came up from the floor, now we melt in place.
Sidecar is the second floor, but in case you're here in the day, the first floor actually has a sub-floor for like great coffee and stuff.
Talk tough, you get typed and deleted. Whole crew hungry, turn a beat to a meeting. Old head said, boy, you moving too fast. I broke every speed limit, still didn't crash. It's a motherfucking curse. Sit down, earn that seat if you ain't bled.
We're here at stop number 2. This is sort of the complete opposite of Sidecar. This bar opened literally 2 months ago. And we don't know anything about it except the name, which is...
It's called Coffee Island.
No, it's the one open.
Third place.
No.
Where ideas brew.
No.
Oh, no vacancy.
It's called No Vacancy. I like कि इन्होंने यहाँ पे shadow play किया है.
इधर है? वही तो
नहीं इधर है इधर. What's up? No Vacancy. What's up? No Vacancy, bro. This is Manik. Thank you. And this is Unsobered. And we are at No Vacancy. Let's go. Oh, dude, it looks kind of sick, man.
Many men wish death upon me.
Dude, fucking looks very good, dude.
Just plays this for you guys, bro. Just plays it today.
Shabam, nice to meet you, man.
My bar manager over here.
Okay, lovely. All right.
We don't do any concepts as such, but we have a philosophy of good drinks, good food, approachable drinks, and approachable vibe. We want people to come here and see this place as a very approachable place. They can come here in their shorts, barefoot, naked, no problem with that. Yeah. If you don't want to go through the whole menu, you don't want to go through the whole bullshit over there, you can just see the first page and play your cocktails, whatever you want to have. If you name this menu, it will be called Limitless because what concept does to any guest or a bartender is that it limits their thoughts and ideation. Sure. So that's what we are trying to break here. We have a cocktail called Shark Attack in which we give sharks in the drink. Okay. I mean that.
Shark Attack, please. Okay.
We'll do one Shark Attack on the fly. How was it though?
Dude, amazing.
Very good, fantastic, organic, simple, easy.
That's what I like.
So we have this ritual here, alright? So when I pull out the shark from the glass and I'll say shark incoming, they'll have to join me and create the buzz like oh together with the thing.
I mean,
I'm very excited about this.
Okay.
Guys, shark incoming!
That's just fucking good, and I love the experience of having it. Firstly, I love it when someone hypes me up to have a drink, dude. I love that.
Oh, nice. I'm keeping this.
Okay, keep it.
PSA cuties.
Shiva needs a drink. One more cup. Shiva needs a drink. Fill it up. Fill it up. When the whole weed hitting like a hit and run hit. Only way to feel a little free. Shiva needs a drink. Uber late, but the rush still there. Clock strikes 12, no time to spare. He just wanna break, not a breaking point. Just a little buzz, not to fill that void. Laugh too loud.
Bro, acha.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Aditya. I don't know who you are, what you do, what your role is. You have done. She or he? She has done the glasses. Shout out to Aditya for doing the glasses. This is very different, man.
Yeah, it's very different. I've not had a cocktail like
I'm
this.
having. I don't know if this is the correct term. मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी जो दिवाली के पटाखे की स्मेल नहीं होती.
Mushroom से आ रही है.
I really like the texture.
This is the most textured, most complex cocktail that we have.
I mean, for sure. At least the most textured cocktail I've had today.
I can still taste it when I'm breathing after.
Yeah, it stays. It lingers.
We give olives and pineapples. Olives are logo. As you can see this.
Oh, okay.
Actually,
Same ones say they love you, lay they funny, You can't match my energy, and yeah, you know it, Way too cold, Yeah, man, I'm way too cold, Way too cold, Yeah, man, I'm way too cold, Way too cold, Yeah, man, I'm way too cold.
Ooh, well, spicy on the spicy side.
It's like in my mood.
I like it. I like the mango. I like the mango aspect of it. It is a little spicier
Then regular drinks.
than regular
Spicy drinks.
तो ये तो मेरे हिसाब से 7 होगा.
ये हमारा रहता हमारा 6-7 है.
हाँ. मेरी spice tolerance कम भी है थोड़ी.
But girls come and they say do it 20 bhaiya. Cook with the mango puri together, making up a nice body.
It's going exactly with the song.
Yeah.
Good morning. इसको पी के जाग जाएगा बंदा. Just look at the garnish. It's
Chupa chup.
Yeah, chupa chup.
Really goes good with that cocktail. And there's no mint in this cocktail except the garnish.
except the garnish. Clean.
Yeah.
This is a morning drink.
Yeah, this looks like
The
one.
shark attack and
मजे आ गए.
he goes.
It's actually fucking clean.
This is the done.
This is one of those.
Not deal with shark.
No, we're not.
That's the menu.
No way. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm gonna have a quick remembering sip. It's gonna be 1.
I knew it.
It's gonna be 2.
I knew it.
It's gonna be 3 and 4.
That's the only difference.
I'll make truffle concha for me. You'll just taste it.
Okay, ठीक है.
But this is the fucking best
चल
cocktail.
ठीक है. But okay, ठीक है.
One noodle bar.
One noodle bar
One noodle bar, one truffle concha for me.
and one meat for it.
Oh yeah, tasty drink for Shiva man manic. सारे कहंदे yo how they manage. Sip कर देने दिल हो गया panic. नाम ही काफी, they don't need magic. Tasty drink for Shiva man manic. Beat the नच दे crowd go manic.
So that's the challenge.
It's no challenge.
No, you have to drink this in the most badass way possible.
It's not sweet.
This is entering top 3.
Yeah.
I'm not even gonna
Bro,
fucking lie.
ये
dude.
बहुत बढ़िया है.
This cocktail is the nicest, bro.
ये बहुत बढ़िया है.
This cocktail. It's called truffle concha for a reason, bro. Told you, bro. Told you.
Actually, fucking very good.
Both are starting there.
Actually, you're right.
So this cocktail is called truffle concierge. So truffle concierge is a guy actually from Piedmont, Italy. What he does is he has a truffle farm and he takes all his guests to his truffle farm. That's why it's called truffle concierge. He's actually a concierge in a hotel.
Dude, this is genuinely a fantastic drink. I'm so glad.
1, 2, 3.
So it's called noodle bar.
Okay.
It's got cucumber and radish in there.
Tera pyar noodle bar. It's very noodly. I like that. This is the first drink that I've had that literally tastes like noodles.
Yeah, it does taste like noodles.
Some of these drinks are unlike anything that I've had. Such a fun take on an espresso martini. One. Actually, let me have a quick. भाई genuinely just because इसमें Bonvita का taste आ रहा है and its alcohol is unlike anything, man. But this is a fucking game changer. Number 1, number 2, number 3.
1, 2,
Damn, you really about that mint iced tea.
I
man.
love that.
I love that.
3, 4, 5.
My number 1 is this.
Okay.
Number 2 is this.
Okay.
And number 3 is this. So we sous vide the whole drink with pineapple. Sous vide means like hot maceration.
Yeah, Bonvita.
We do the with pineapple and then we pass it through the coconut oil.
The rum is feeling very dynamic. Cheers to No Vacancy, man. One of the hottest new spots in fucking town.
Fuck all urgencies. Fuck all urgencies. And all the emergencies.
And all the emergencies.
We are not stopping tonight.
We are not stopping tonight.
Because we are at
No Vacancy.
You know that that face that don't come near my daughter kind of face. But at the same time you have that face in which अगर धूम ही बनी होती धूम तो जॉन अब्राहम का रोल would have been mad at me.
That's what I like to hear.
Let's focus on the fact that he said, "Don't come near my daughter." Wala face. Let's focus on
I have
that.
that face. Shout out to another person who has that face. Shah Rukh Khan.
उसने सुना
9, 9, 10, 10.
I'm gonna go and say 11.
91 rupees bro.
Yes, of course.
How much? I don't even know.
Dude, that's crazy.
How much is it?
It's 9,300 bucks.
So I win.
You only said 10.
Yeah, I said 10.
That's crazy. Okay. Damn.
You got another shot.
Dude, solid.
I have never seen you this impressed with the bill before.
100%, bhai. 100%. Thank you so much, man. Pleasure. Fucking great place.
Thank you so much.
Solid energy.
No worries.
Let's hear your feedback on bar number 1.
Sidecar.
Yeah.
Oh, I like the Tomatina.
The Tomatina.
The clear glass, the highball.
the one from
Fantastic.
Spain, yeah.
I like the vibe of the place.
Yeah.
I have not come to Sidecar too often,
Yeah.
but 2-3 बार आया हूँ. This was like the 3rd or 4th time, and very good 8 on 10 experience.
Okay. Like maybe I think 5वीं 6वीं बार ही आ रहा हूँ, ज़्यादा नहीं आया हूँ. But after all these years, also my favorite cocktail remains cilantro, which is the one that I had at the last, which had the foam on the top at the end. But if not that, I think the Tuk Tuk was a really good second best from the current cocktail menu for me. Very savory, very, like they said, very curry-like, which was very different, very unusual. It's a bar that you can sort of come to alone. And not, it's like the kind of place that I will not feel weird coming alone and having a single drink at the bar. Because it's a place good enough where you will have a good enough conversation with the bartender. Whatever westerns में दिखाया cowboy वगैरह जाके. I think
I think the decor of the place lends to that also.
Yeah. Also, I am a bit of a cowboy myself.
Yeah, he's a cow. Boy.
No vacancy,
No
brother.
vacancy. Very fun. Good energy.
Yeah.
Great bartenders. Great host. Good cocktails.
Favorite cocktail, I think it's
My favorite was the Bonvita, bro. Man.
Sure.
दो पी लिए यार.
Bonvita.
Are you embarrassed of yourself? You should be. You should be.
No vacancy. It's a fairly new place. It's relatively undiscovered right now. I think the place deserves a visit. It's got great energy. I think it's unlike a lot of the bars that I've been to in terms of energy from what the bartenders are bringing. The cocktails are innovative. They're fun. Like fucking Bonvita, dude, blew my mind away just by virtue of it being a cocktail made out of Bonvita. A great playlist was playing at least tonight.
The music was great.
The music was great.
Yeah.
And it's not very expensive for the kind of cocktails that they're making and the booze that they're actually using for the cocktails.
Yeah, high quality.
So I think both these bars are very distinct in nature. You're in Delhi and you have 3 bars to visit. One of them definitely needs to be Sidecar. But No Vacancy is a great discovery and I'm very happy I discovered it. Shout out Bus Pani. Shout out Delhi Nagar Nigam.
मैंचुद क्या बाकी है यार क्या शो है ये शाउट आउट दिल्ली नगर निगम मैंचुद शाउट आउट गांधी जी शाउट आउट क्या है ये
Great fantastic night, brother.
Thank you, brother.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Good dab. Love it.
We do good dabs.
We love good dabs. Cheers. Bus Pani. Stay on sober. Like, share, subscribe. Love you all. If you have 3 bars to visit, one of them should. अरे मेरी भोंसड़ा खोल ले मेरा